Hey guys, it's Tyler with Airstream of Utah. I'm actually about to show you my very favorite Airstream trailer. It's the Flying Cloud 30-foot bunk. It's the front bed version of that. It's actually been sold, but we are offering a free equalizer hitch with any order right now. So if this is a trailer that you guys are looking to get, we can absolutely get that in for you. So start out on the outside a little bit here. One of my favorite features with a 30-foot is you get this big, long 26-foot awning that comes out 8 feet. Whole family can hang out underneath that, get some shade, set up a table, have your lunch, dinners, things like that. But let's take you inside. If you got a big family or you just like space, this is certainly the trailer for you. I apologize, we have some boxes, but main bedroom here, you have your queen size bed. You actually have closets on each side with a hanging rack in there. And then of course up above, plenty of storage for clothing, TV. And then, like most of our Airstreams here, it lifts up and you have a huge storage space that you can actually access from the outside as well. That is a waterproof storage. And great for some privacy. Want to get away from the kids for a minute, you actually shut that off and you have your own little bedroom. Now, this sleeps 8. Honestly, you could sleep 6 adults comfortably, but you know, a couple adults, 6 children, no problem. This is one of the beds here. This pulls out. Actually, excuse me, that one does not pull out. Pull that cover off and you can lay down there. And then this table goes down, becomes a full-size bed. Lay that, put the cushions to fill in the table, and you got a nice little bed there. Now you got a lot of kitchen space. This is in fact, next to the Classic, I think this is the largest kitchen space. With tons of storage up above. This one actually comes with a gas oven, gas stove, and then a microwave with big sink, plenty of room underneath for some storage, you know, mixing bowls, things like that. And then right here we have area with underneath plenty of drawers to store spatulas, any kitchen necessities, of course. And then on the other side here we have a nice big freezer. Keep your ice cream cold. Plenty of room for all your food. I mean, this is the size where you can really, you know, go for a long trip with your family. And then as we open up this area, this is our main closet with some hanging area and a bunch of drawers underneath. All through there. Now this trailer is one of the, I think it may be the only one with 3 televisions. So you have one in the main bedroom, you have a television here in the kitchen galley area, and then this back bedroom, that's the corner bed, has a TV as well, and then up above it, you have this bunk bed. Now this is a limit of 150 pounds, so but any, you know, child, lots of teenagers will be able to fit in that, no problem. With some storage underneath the bed here as well. So plenty of space to put all the clothes, put all the things you need. Now, and then your little corner bathroom here. Shower, toilet, sink. One of the things I think Airstream did really well with this 30-foot trailer is you do only have the wraparound windows in the front, but you still get plenty of light in here. You have a great skylight here. Right in the middle of the trailer, you have a nice big skylight as well. And then in the middle, plenty of room where, you know, you're in the day, you're hanging out, you really aren't going to have to put any lights on. Very nice and light. Has 2 air conditioners. Keeps it cool, no problem, with ducted heating and cooling. So if you are in the hotter climates, no issue there. And then, of course, you know, you can really make these a 4-season trailer. So if you like to get out and do some winter camping, maybe travel around to the ski resorts in the wintertime, great trailer to do that with your family as well. But please, if you have any extra questions, give us a call on this trailer. If you want to see some things more, you know, specifically about it, I'd be more than happy to help you. Again, this is the 30-foot Flying Cloud bunk trailer with the front bedroom. But any questions, message us on Facebook. Price on this one, I think MSRP is right around 105, but I know we're offering right around 95 on that. And again, equalizer hitch with any trailer order right now. Message us on Facebook if you have any questions or want to get a little more detail. Please call us 801-890-4363. Thanks, guys.